Assalamualaikum Mas Bro, bertemu lagi di channel Promosi Painting. Dan di kesempatan kali ini saya ingin memberikan pengalaman saya saat saya mengerjakan suatu proyek karbon Kevlar di part PCX, lebih tepatnya di cover behel dari PCX 150 ini. Oke, bagaimana langkah-langkahnya? Simak aja terus, dan jangan lupa untuk selalu dukung channel saya dengan cara subscribe dan hidupin lonceng notifikasi agar tahu video terbaru dari saya. Oke, selamat menonton video, dan jangan lupa tetap berpikiran positif, jaga kesehatan, dan sayangi keluarga.
A bit superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Oke Mas Bro, jadi langkah-langkahnya seperti biasa, kita oleskan resin terlebih dahulu di bagian media yang sudah kita amplas menggunakan amplas ukuran grit 60 sampai benar-benar media kasar. Kemudian kita tunggu kering lengket kurang lebih sekitar 1,5 jam. Setelah itu kita tempel dengan karbon Kevlar serat biru.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Setelah kita rasa udah kering sentuh, baru kita tempelin serat Kevlarnya. Untuk penempelan di Kevlar behel ini kita harus berhati-hati, kita tempelin atau kita ratakan di bagian dalamnya dulu, jangan tergesa-gesa di bagian luarnya, tampak luarnya. Dan untuk menarik kita harus memotong di bagian tengah daripada serat Kevlarnya ini agar bisa untuk kita meratakan di bagian selempitan-selempitan atau pojok-pojokan dari cover behel ini. Setelah itu tetap kita tekan-tekan dulu di bagian sudut-sudut dari cover behel ini agar benar-benar kain dari karbon Kevlar ini benar-benar lengket di media ini. Kemudian setelah kita sudah tekan-tekan di seluruh bagian media ini, kemudian kita kasih laban atau solasi kertas di belakang media ini, bertujuan untuk mengunci serat Kevlar saat nanti kita vakum. Tetap terlihat rapi dan benar-benar kain Kevlarnya lengket sempurna di media ini.
Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first.
Jadi seperti inilah hasilnya setelah kita menempelkan serat Kevlar dan kita beri isolasi kertas di belakangnya. Kemudian setelah ini kita vakum. Untuk proses pemvakuman kita butuh waktu kurang lebih 7 jam, kalau bisa 10 jam sampai benar-benar resin benar-benar kering dan lengket sempurna di bagian karbon Kevlarnya.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't.
Setelah itu kita bersihkan dulu bagian Kevlarnya. Apabila ada seperti Kevlar yang semrawut atau debu-debu yang menempel, agar nanti saat kita proses peresinan tidak ada yang Kevlar yang jerawat atau debu yang menempel. Dan di sini untuk proses pelapisan resin di lapisan pertama tipis-tipis saja dulu sampai merata. Kemudian kita tunggu kering kurang lebih 1 kali 24 jam. Setelah itu kita potong di bagian yang tidak terpakai atau di bagian yang tidak terlihat.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls, I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault.
Jadi ini hasil satu lapis setelah kering sentuh. Kemudian kita potong di bagian sini. Dan di sini untuk pemotongan saya menggunakan mesin orbital sander yang datar, dan untuk bagian yang lekukan saya memakai mata pisau cutting seperti ini.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence.
Oke mas bro, jadi seperti inilah hasil setelah kita melakukan pengamplasan di bagian-bagian yang datar yang tidak terlihat. Dan setelah ini kita beri resin 8 lapis lagi. Setelah itu kita lanjut ke proses pengamplasan. Tapi sebelum itu kita gunakan mal-malan di bagian tepi sini agar nanti memudahkan kita saat waktu pemotongan bagian tepi-tepi sini.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Dan ini dia hasil setelah kita melakukan pengolesan 8 lapis. Jadi total keseluruhan untuk lapis resin di sini saya memakai lapis 9 lapis maksud saya. Oke, jadi setelah ini kita masuk ke proses pemotongan, perapian, dan pengamplasan. Jadi untuk memangkas waktu video ini, untuk video pengamplasan, perapian, dan finishing clear coat, saya lanjut ke video part 2. Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you do.